Suspecha namin may nakalinis na nitong PNY 3090 dati kasi parang masyadong makapal yung ibang thermal pads. When we applied the correct thickness pads, memory temps dropped by 12 degrees. This is Malinis Monday, where we share stories about computers, GPUs, and laptops that we've cleaned. Pinapalitan namin yung thermal paste, pinapalitan namin yung thermal pads. We break everything down, remove all of the dirt, dust, and gunk, and then assemble everything again. Bago cleaning, max GPU hotspot temp was 82.5 degrees. After cleaning, 80.3 na lang siya, a 2-degree drop. General GPU max temp before cleaning was 72 degrees. After cleaning, 70.6 degrees na lang, a 1.4-degree drop. Mild improvements in temperature so far, but it was in the memory temps na biggest improvement talaga. From 98 degrees to 86 degrees after cleaning, a 12-degree drop. Para hindi tumaas yung temps ng hardware mo, kailangan niya ng regular cleaning, and the easiest way to clean is hindi ikaw gagawa. Kami ang maglilinis. Bring your hardware to us, Hardware Sugar, and we will make them cool again. Literally. See you next Malinis Monday for another hardware cleaning story.